Good morning everyone. Today we are presenting our machine learning laboratory experiment. This project is done by our team Ajit Kumar, Amrutavarshni, Alfia, Anushya and Amreen. In this experiment, we implemented the candidate elimination algorithm. This is a concept learning algorithm in machine learning. Its main purpose is to find all possible hypotheses that are consistent with the given training data. Instead of finding out one rule, it maintains a range of possible all rules. Now let's understand the basic idea of the algorithm. The candidate elimination algorithm works by maintaining two boundaries. One is the most specific hypothesis called yes. The another is the most general hypothesis called G. Whenever a positive example comes, we make S more general so that it includes that example. Whenever a negative example comes, we make G more specific so that it excludes that example. Slowly, the algorithm reduces the hypothesis space until only the constraint rule is remain. We implemented this algorithm using Python. First, we load the dataset, then we initialize the specific hypothesis yes with the first training example. The general hypothesis G is generalized with the most general condition. Then for each training example, if it is positive, we update yes. If it is negative, we update G. Finally, we print the final yes and G hypothesis. This slide shows the example output of our program. Here we can see how the hypotheses change step by step when new examples are processed. The algorithm gradually removes inconsistent hypotheses and only keeps those that matches the training data. Now let's briefly look at the process. Initially, S is very specific and G is very general. As more training examples are processed, S becomes slightly more general and G becomes slightly more specific. The space between S and G is called the vision space. The vision space contains all hypotheses that are consistent with the training data. For this experiment, we used the Enjoy Sports dataset. It contains attributes like sky, air temperature, humidity, wind, water, forecast. Each example is labeled as either yes or no, meaning whether the person enjoy the sports or not. This represents the most general condition that still satisfies the training data. It means either the sky must be sunny or the air temperature must be warm. These are bordered acceptable boundaries compared to the specific hypothesis. To conclude, the candidate elimination algorithm computes the vision space of hypothesis consist with the training data. It maintains two boundaries, yes, the specific hypothesis, G, the general boundary hypothesis. With each training example, positive example generalize, yes, negative example specialize, G. Finally, the algorithm narrows down the hypothesis space and find the consistent rules. This example helps us understand how conceptual learning works in machine learning. Thank you for listening to our presentation. We are happy to answer any questions.